Nighthawk agents observed an unidentified male subject arrive on the property via an electric scooter and bounce back and forth between the vacuum machines. Police were contacted immediately for his removal. Police arrived on the scene and spoke to the driver of the scooter. After a brief discussion, officers determined no arrests were necessary, and all parties left the area. For more information on our service, visit our site at nighthawkmonitoring.com